As promised, new desk setup tour video, let's go. This is my brand new, super modular, super minimal standing desk setup from Ergonoffice. I love this new desk. The surface is this really nice, matte, smooth, soft touch finish in this light gray color. I got the legs in a powder coated white metal frame. I love the automated and programmable buttons on this thing. Every standing desk has slightly different buttons, and this one just feels great. One of my favorite things about this specific standing desk is how sturdy it is at low heights and tall heights, and the best part is it comes with these really high quality wheels and casters that are locking so that you can move this desk around, and that's why this is such a modular setup. If you look behind me, I keep this as my laptop, my iPad setup, especially because I use this desk for filming all the time. I'll use this guy as a backdrop straight on, whereas today I have it in the corner with the desk in frame. Something I picked up along with this desk is the under desk mounted power strip. I love how clean it is, has some USB ports on it, has some 3-prong plugs on it, and it mounts perfectly flush right under the desk. I definitely recommend picking this up with your desk. And this chair I've been using right here is called the Kin by Autonomous. It's definitely a nice ergonomic chair for the price. Definitely super supportive. I love all the adjustable features from the arms to the width to the height. I love the black mesh cloth. It just blends in nicely with the setup. And of course, not on the desk setup, but right next to it, got my whiteboard. Always helpful for ideas, for messages, and just for drawing when I'm bored. Now this desk setup may be minimal and clean, but there's tons of unique tech that I know some of you have never seen. Let's start with my iPad Pro setup. I have my iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2018 model chillin' in this Sketchboard Pro. This is a Kickstarter I funded as someone who loves art, digital art, media, and utilizing my iPad for Photoshop, for Procreate, all different kinds of drawing things. I really love the Sketchboard Pro. And the best part, I love how portable it is, easy to take from my desk over to the couch when I want to, and it has kickstand legs on both the top and the bottom for whichever orientation you want it in. Now the main part of my portable desk setup is my 16-inch MacBook Pro, fully spec'd out, and this thing is sitting on top of this really cool foldable, again, modular and portable stand that fits just this big right into my backpack and folds out accordion style. It can go to different heights. I really love this thing. It just gives my laptop a little bit more elevation for better eyesight, but also, it raises it up to dissipate some heat, and I love that. It's never comfortable typing at an angle like this, so I have the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Trackpad 2, and I love this little tray compartment that fits the two together. I've shown this off in a couple videos. This is an Etsy project that I also support highly. You guys should check out this Etsy shop. I'll make sure to link it below. This product's called The Tray. Now I know I already have a trackpad, but sometimes you just want to use a mouse. I have the wireless Logitech MX Ergo right here. This one's just a really ergonomic mouse that keeps your wrist at a comfortable position rather than how most mice are, and it's just kind of weird to get used to, but once you do, it feels so comfortable. As someone who's been working from home, teaching from home for 6 to 8 hours a day, working at a desk, this has been a lifesaver and charges via USB-C. Always got to keep a pair of AirPods around. Usually I actually have two just in case one dies, since I do work for such long sessions. I have the Colorware jet black regular AirPods right here, and I also have a brand new Colorware red and black version of the AirPods Pro. I love this thing because it is my high school colors. Not the school I went to, but the school I teach at. And if you guys are new to the channel and you didn't know, I'm a high school teacher that loves making tech videos and content on YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I just found out 91% of my viewers are not subscribed. So join the family, hit that notification button, and do it. Under all this gear, one of my favorite new things about this desk setup is the Grove-made wool felt pad in the giant XL pad. It just feels so comfortable under my wrists, and it's nice because it acts as a mouse pad, and I love the XL size because I actually often can use this desk as a top-down shot as well, and it gives me another large, colored, textured surface to be able to shoot on. To the left side of the desk, you'll see one of my new favorite plants, not just a fiddle leaf fig tree, but a dwarf fiddle leaf fig, and I love this black ceramic pot that I was able to get from Kirby's Nursery. Next to it is my all-time favorite candle. This is from Anthropologie. It's their main store scent. It's called the Volcano, and it comes in all different colors. I love this matte black one, limited edition model that I was able to scoop up. Last, but definitely not least, is this light right here. This is a Red Dot Design Awarded light. This is an LED lamp with a built-in wireless charger. It is bicolor, and it is bulbless. That's what's so awesome about the design. Last thing on this desk I almost forgot about, you'll see it kind of hidden in that corner under the string of pearls. There is a phone mount right there that I've been absolutely loving. It's got a solid round base with a little gooseneck on it. I'm able to still charge my phone while it's in it just by plugging in a cord. And I like just putting my phone up there so it's kind of out of the way. I'm not constantly staring at it while I work, but I don't like just having my phone chilling next to me as I'm working, as I'm typing, as I'm teaching. So I put it up on that stand, and it's kind of nice because when a notification comes in, take a glance. Or I actually often use that thing while I'm sitting and filming as a viewfinder utilizing my phone, because I shoot on the Red Komodo and the Red Control app is amazing. And that's what I'm using right here. Now that's the desk. Right under it, I have a super shaggy little carpet rug right here from Living Spaces. It's just super soft to step on and stand on and sit on, but I love that it absorbs some of that echo in here. And then on this side, you'll see my giant pegboard wall. This is something that, along with the theme, is super modular, can be minimal. I can change up all the different decorations and designs. Right over here, you'll see my giant booth sign. This is an LED sign. I just don't know where the plug is right now since I moved to this new house. I'm gonna have to find it. And right over here, you'll see some more plants, hard to point. And then this, one of my personal favorite things, talked about it in my full studio tour. It's a periodic table of actual elements crystallized. So cool. Definitely a hype beast. Got my Supreme lockbox over there. More plants. And one of my favorite things right here, my Dragon Ball Z original manga set. Oh, I love displaying these different books. And over here, got my Harry Potter illustrated set, Marshall Stanmore speakers. Just fun to be able to change up the set a little bit. One of my other favorite things, hold on, let me see if I can get it to work. Yeah, you're seeing that correctly. That's a levitating, floating LED Edison bulb, and I didn't even realize it was off this whole video, but that's one of my favorite things on this wall. This little thing right here is a CNC'd custom coaster. One of my students made me. YouTube play button, Novatech symbol, love this thing. And of course, have my personal Bible on there too. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another desk setup tour in 2021. As I promised, tons more to come. And you feel like that's an exaggeration or you feel like I'm lying, but I've already posted 2 in 2021 and there's tons more to come. This is just a quick little sneak peek for you, but this is a suction cup mounted, friction armed Sony ZV-1 for all different camera angles, from sticking it on your mirror, your window, your desktop. It's amazing. And everybody's been asking for a dedicated video, so hit that subscribe button. Anybody want a video on this? Cause this thing is awesome.